close the planned protests turned into riots after pro-Trump demonstrators stormed the U.S. Capitol. USA Today: the supporters of President Donald Trump who breached the U.S. Capitol building on Wednesday may face charges of sedition, several legal experts told the Detroit Free Press. The U.S. center of power became a scene of outright chaos Wednesday as supporters made their way past barricades, broke in through windows and sent representatives into hiding during a session of debate over election certification. The assault on the Capitol came shortly after a rally for the president, who continued to levy baseless claims that the election was rigged and told the crowd they would never concede, USA Today reported. The actions of the crowd were inexcusable and crimes, U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Michigan Matthew Schneider told the Detroit Free Press. There's a difference, a big difference, between peaceful protests and expressing your freedoms, said Schneider, who was appointed to his post by Trump. This is not it. The violent protesters are committing crimes, and they have to stop right now, and this is not what our Constitution protects. Depending on what investigators find in individual circumstances, charges could range from everything from low-level curfew charges, to trespassing, to the misdemeanor of destruction of government property less than $1,000, depending on the cost of the windows and anything else, he said. There could be a felony charge of destruction of government property over $1,000, depending on what was damaged, which is punishable by up to 10 years in prison, he said. More, electoral counting resumes after police retake Capitol from pro-Trump rioters, woman shot and killed. Twitter locks out Trump more. Michigan lawmakers hunkered down as rioters breached U.S. Capitol on the high end. Charges of civil disorder, interfering with law enforcement, or inciting a riot could all be possible, up to seditious conspiracy, a federal charge punishable by up to 20 years in prison, he said. That latter charge seemed most appealing to two professors of Western Michigan University's Cooley Law School. It reads, if two or more persons in any state or territory, or in any place subject to the jurisdiction of the United States, conspire to overthrow, put down, or to destroy by force the government of the United States, or to levy war against them, or to oppose by force the authority thereof, or by force to prevent, hinder, or delay the execution of any law of the United States, or by force to seize, take, or possess any property of the United States contrary to the authority thereof, they shall each be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 20 years, or both. The phrase, delay the execution of the law, is key, and what was seen from some of the Trump supporters Wednesday, said Devin Schindler, a law professor who once clerked for the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals.